Good morning, everybody. It's Hari Swaminathan again. It's 10:15. Just wanted to provide a catch-up video of the adjustments we did on Apple. Closed the 450, 460 for a very, very good profit, almost $5,000 on that, and then opened new ones at 475, 465. So right now we are right in between, slightly positive delta, which is fine. The stock is at 487, 488, just right in between that. Now, we didn't do anything on the call side yet, but what you can see is by doing this kind of stuff, you might wonder, that's a lot of adjustments. Yes, it is, and the problem is we've entered into a volatile part, as far as the federal government shutdown and the debt ceiling debate. So unfortunately, we are caught up in that. A lot of these positions are expiring in 8 days, but we can expect quite a bit of volatility in the meanwhile. So the one way to deal with this is to really have not taken aggressive positions, your short strikes or whatever the spread strikes. You can choose, safely as per your situation. If you don't have time to monitor, for example, you would do that. However, these positions are caught up in this debate. So, but the good thing is, see, by closing this, we booked close to 4,500 or 4,700. Now we have new premium. So by doing these adjustments, you are increasing. Actually, what's a very good way of thinking what happened today is you look at the P&L for the day. If you look at the P&L for the day, you can see on Apple, even though it's gone up, I think the only position will be hurting is Netflix, because it made a very, very big move. But let's look at our positions. On a day, on for today, we are only down 180 on Apple. Let's take a look at Google. Google, we might be down a little bit, but yeah, you can see it's not as bad as what it could have been. That's because we now took advantage of this Google roll. We took off the 860, 865 and moved it to the 865, 870. So, and of course, we moved the 840, 835 to 855, 850. So right now, and this has only one day to expire. So we have fresh premium. We have fresh premium of 4,500 over here. So, that with that, by doing these adjustments, you are collecting some on the profits and getting fresh premium. So that's the advantage of doing that. Let's take a look at Netflix, because that's the one that's hurting. You can see the P&L day on that is negative 3,500. But what did we get in return? That's what you have to see. We've got premium of 11,500 to capture. And how did we do that? That's because we opened new 280, 285, 280s. We closed the 260, 255 for a profit, and we have new 285, 280. And that itself has a profit of, a premium of 5,000 there. And then the balance we have over here. Now let's take a look at the Netflix graph, because that's really where it is. So it is at 300, and we can see that even though we have the butterfly, it's approaching the higher end of the break even. So what we can do is, I don't think we want to do anything right now, but we still have 8 days for this. But we might want to add a call option so that we can send this graph a little bit up, up like that. So, for example, if we were to buy, say, 5 more of the 295 calls, then this would send the position. So half the size of that. So anyway, but we've made these adjustments today. We don't need to do anything right now. I just wanted to catch up on this video. Other than that, Tesla is okay. Tesla actually went back to the flat line, so haven't done anything with Tesla yet, and we'll leave it at that. Thanks.